Well, greetings. My name is Kurt Thiede, and I'm the Regional Administrator of EPA Region 5, located in Chicago, serving the Great Lakes region. Now, during the past 3 years, one of the region's biggest priorities has been to pick up the pace on cleaning up properties so that they can once again be a source of opportunity and pride for local communities. That's why I'm so excited this week to announce nearly $13 million in new Brownfield grants. These grants will bring new energy and opportunity to 27 Region 5 communities, and given the current public health and economic situation our country is facing, this is more important than ever. In fact, there are so many grants that you'll have to go to our website to learn about them all, but let me give you just a few examples. First-time recipient, Brillion, Wisconsin, will use a $500,000 grant to clean up the old Brillion Ironworks facility. In Greenfield, Indiana, another first-time recipient, a $300,000 grant will be used to assess the Pennsy Trail corridor. And Rockford, Illinois, plans to use a $275,000 grant to clean up the former Rockford Watch Factory. Now, the Midwest is known for its culture, heritage, innovation, and industrial contributions. But like other areas of the country, many of our communities have experienced economic hardships and population declines. As the businesses and jobs moved out, they left behind old buildings and unfortunately sometimes contamination as well. Without redevelopment opportunities, communities, even those with deep historic roots, will struggle to get back on their feet. This is where EPA's Brownfield program can help, and has helped. Like in Duluth, Minnesota, where the former Clyde Ironworks facility is now home to Clyde Ironworks Restaurant and Bar, a premier restaurant, bar, and event venue. This project received over $70,000 in EPA funding and leveraged millions of dollars in funds from our many partners. And in Detroit, Michigan, over $900,000 in EPA grants were used by the Detroit-Wayne County Port Authority to turn a once blighted site into a $28 million medical supplies facility, employing 140 workers. Now, this is the kind of success the Brownfields program is known for, and with the help of our many state and local partners, it's the type of success we will continue to have. And we have a saying in Region 5, we are better together. And nowhere is that more apparent than in the communities receiving Brownfield grants today. Congratulations to this year's grantees. I look forward to hearing about your great work, and I can't wait to see how these funds will benefit your communities. Thanks.